truck. We're going to take a look at it inside.
Let me take it.
This is the crew cab. You got your RP miles per hour, but you can't see it. Got the horn. You got your CB radio over here.
Come on, let's go show them the back of the truck.
And you got your back. Nothing in it but a empty cart.
You might want to show them this.
What?
This is locked.
On.
Here, hold this up. Cover.
Ah, nice. Alright, here.
Oh, it's the reverse cover. Oh, is this tapped over? Oh, that's the cover, alright.
Alright, ready?
I'll tell you when to stop. It's the cover, dude! For the back. Alright, so this is
This is KP Ride 94 signing off.